Amid the Olympics medal glory of Mirabai Channu, Milind Soman's wife Ankita Konwar pointed out at the harassment Northeast Indian face. Ankita wonders if people from the Northeast need to win medals to be recognized as part of the country. She has already started a conversation by calling out the racist attitude through her recent tweets and feels it's time to accept our flaws. In her tweet, she wrote, "If you're from Northeast India, you can become an Indian only when you win a medal for the country. Otherwise, we are known as Chinky, Chinese, Nepali, or a new addition, Corona. India is not just infested with casteism, but racism too. Speaking from my experience. #hypocrites." While speaking to a media outlet, Ankita said, "I know people who call out individuals from Northeast as Chinky. I've corrected them many times. Now I see them coming out and say, 'We are so proud of you.' When you see a post like that, you're like, 'Oh wow, now you think that we are a part of India.' But when I'm there with you, then you don't think so. It's only when somebody is winning a medal that you can be a part of the country. So what about the rest of us then?" Ankita Konwar also mentioned that it's hurtful that even today people just come on her page and post comments like Corona, Chinese or Chinky. She also revealed it's not just restricted to social media but also out on the streets. Ankita, who is married to Milind Soman, recalled an incident when she was coming from the Maldives and two airport officials just refused to believe that she is from India despite her showing her passport to them. As many people disagreed with her opinion, Konwar asked what was there to disagree with when it was purely an experience-based view. She said, "That doesn't count. Your disagreement has nothing to do with what I've faced my entire life. You can't come and tell me what I've lived was a lie. We can't close our eyes to things that are happening in front of us. How long will you be sweeping it off? You have to be courageous to face the flaws in the system, in the country." Ankita concluded by saying that she hopes that nobody has to go through what people from the Northeast have been through.